my channel, and this is, you can see in front of you, eBay official website. What I'm gonna do next, you can see on the top left, sign in or register. Go to hit, and when you hit the register, you know, you will get another tab, and what you're gonna do is to just continue with Facebook. Make sure your Facebook is logged in another tab. There you can see in front of you, just scroll a bit down and then hit the continuous header. So congratulations, your ID being link an existing account. Welcome. Change an eBay account with this email already exists. Please enter your eBay password to link it to your Facebook account. Link your account. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm already being linked. So what I'm gonna do next is just enter my password. So this is how you make your ID, and accounts are linked, and you can save your password, and you can see the green tick, and I'm officially logged into my eBay account, and now I can do whatever I want to do, like purchasing or selling or everything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this solves your problem. I will see you soon with another video of mine. Till then, it's goodbye. And if you want to subscribe my YouTube channel, this is being uploaded on Legend Vlogs, which is quite a very unprofessional YouTube channel name. Legend Vlogs is pretty bad. I made this account a few years back, so that is why. Thank you. Bye.